Hey guys, Mike Perlman here for Techno Buffalo.
Adriana Lee from Techno Buffalo.
Adriana, where are we right now?
We are in iRobot. They actually agreed to let us not just take a tour, but also drive around these little bad boys. What do you say, Mike? You ready?
Let's not wait any longer. Let's go drive a Packbot.
Oh, yeah. I'm here with Tim, who's the president of the G&I division. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And he's going to give us a little rundown of what these folks are into on the military side of the operations here at iRobot.
All of our robot systems are controlled primarily with game-style controllers with what we call an operator control unit, an OCU, essentially a hardened laptop. Unlike myself, everybody who comes into the Navy, all the kids who come into the Navy or to the Army, generally have thousands of hours of operation time on a game-style controller and can pick up the operations of these things very easily. Very easy to understand displays and scripts. We give them an indication of the robot so you can see the orientation of the robot, what cameras are actually on.
Kids, do you hear me? Like, if you're logging all those hours on your Xbox, you could already be training for a career as a driver of robots.
We'll start off with the venerable Packbot, the senior member of our stable, about a 60-pound robot. We like to call it a multi-mission robot. This had its origins back in 2001 and 9/11. We were in the caves in Afghanistan in the 2002-2003 time frame.
So Adriana, the real question is, can you get the robot to fetch your purse for you? A robot for placeman.
The next time I go shopping, I'm not asking my husband to hold my purse anymore. I'm just going to bring this guy with me. Thank you.
We moved over into these platforms, which we call Sub-V affectionately. The small unmanned ground vehicle. It's been deployed to theater, currently working in Afghanistan now with 2 brigade combat teams. So you've got night vision capability, night vision camera, a laser rangefinder, two-way audio.
So this actually in the backpack is the module for the controller?
Yes.
Can I play Super Mario Brothers with this?
Probably not.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a monitor in my right eye right now.
Are you from the future?
That's really cool. I am. I'll be back. Oh, it's just like Xbox. Mm-hmm. Woo! Oh my gosh, that's really, really fast. How fast can these go, miles per hour?
About 6.
6 miles an hour? Uh-oh.
Oh, he's not happy.
I just fried a circuit.
Doing the cha-cha. Probably not the most stable driving position.
Yeah, you're right.
Our largest and newest robot, the Warrior. This is a 350-pound robot. It has a very substantial arm. We like to call it 2 robots. You can actually unbolt this arm and it becomes a robotic arm. You could bolt it to the back of a truck or a vehicle. And so we sent these to Fukushima. So they had used that to pick up debris. They actually fashioned a vacuum cleaner, an industrial vacuum cleaner that was able to vacuum up radioactive debris and reduce the radiation levels to allow longer personnel exposures.
I heard a little something about a unit that can actually be taken and thrown into a building.
So let's go take a look at the first look.
All right.
This is just got back from Afghanistan. As you said, this has capability to withstand a 15-foot drop onto concrete. It's intended to be rugged. It's intended to be lightweight. Remember, we talked about having to carry heavy packs over long territories and up hills. So this weighs 5 pounds. It's, I won't say indestructible, but very rugged. The game-style controller is incorporated in the controller itself. So all the functionality that I would have with a normal game-style controller is here, as well as a display. A great tool that a soldier can use to throw in an unknown zone to determine whether there's a hostile threat in there, but as importantly, whether there isn't a hostile threat.
How much is something like this? Like, what does it cost to produce?
It's about $12,000 to $15,000.
$12,000 to $15,000.
And depending on what you get up to it.
And how about Big Brother over there?
That's $300,000 to $400,000, depending on what accessories you put on. So.
Yeah, just wrap it up. I'll take one to go. That's amazing.